Top 6 Best Drinks to Prevent and Repair Nerve Damage. Hello, and welcome to a world brimming with refreshments that are not just tasteful, but packed with incredible health benefits. Have you ever pondered the power of what's in your glass today? We're embarking on a fascinating journey, unearthing the extraordinary potential of drinks to prevent and repair nerve damage. Imagine the ability to sip away stress, ward off nerve pain, and actually fortify your nerves, all while enjoying delicious beverages. Sounds too good to be true? Well, hang tight, because today we're going to reveal the absolute best drinks that can do just that. Our nervous system is a marvel, an intricate network of connections that governs everything we do, every thought we have, every sensation we feel. But like any network, it can encounter disruptions and breakdowns. But what if the key to restoring this delicate system could be found in your favorite drinks? As we peel back the layers of scientific studies, ancient wisdom, and holistic practices, you might be surprised to find that the answer isn't found in a pharmacy, but possibly in your own kitchen, your refrigerator, or your favorite cafe. Here's to a voyage of discovery filled with flavors, science, and yes, an incredible touch of magic. Let's explore the best drinks to prevent nerve damage and repair nerves, one sip at a time. 1. Spinach and Kale Smoothie. Our nerve-nourishing journey is the Spinach and Kale Smoothie. If you've ever wondered how to make your greens interesting, this powerhouse blend is your answer. While it might resemble a glass of liquid emerald, each sip is a step towards fortified nerves and boosted overall health. Spinach and kale, the leafy green heroes of our story, are teeming with nutrients essential for nerve health. These dark leafy greens are high in vitamins B6 and B9, also known as pyridoxine and folate respectively. These two vitamins work together to create a substance called myelin. Think of myelin as a sort of protective insulation around your nerves, ensuring they can effectively transmit signals throughout your body. Without enough myelin, nerves can be more susceptible to damage and less capable of repair. Furthermore, kale is a standout source of vitamin K, which recent studies suggest plays a key role in supporting nerve health and promoting neuroprotection. Meanwhile, spinach offers an ample supply of magnesium, a mineral that's often overlooked but is a crucial player in nerve function. Besides boosting nerve health, a spinach and kale smoothie has numerous other health benefits. These leafy greens are a wonderful source of fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can support healthy weight management. They are also rich in antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce inflammation in the body. The great thing about smoothies is that you can easily control the portion of greens you add. A good starting point could be 1 cup of packed spinach or kale, which you can increase as per your taste and nutritional needs. Now let's turn to how we can add some zest to this leafy elixir. The beauty of a spinach and kale smoothie lies in its versatility. You can blend these greens with a mix of fruits like bananas, berries, or apples for natural sweetness. Add a splash of lemon or lime for a zingy twist. Why not toss in some chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids? Consider experimenting with plant-based milk like almond, oat, or coconut for a creamier texture. If you're feeling adventurous, a spoonful of your favorite nut butter can lend a wonderful richness to your green smoothie, or a dash of turmeric or ginger can give it a healthful spice kick. A spinach and kale smoothie is more than a nutritious breakfast option or post-workout fuel. It's a dynamic, delicious, and efficient way to bolster your nerve health. So ready your blenders, gather your greens, and raise a glass to nerve-nourishing, taste bud-pleasing, life-boosting smoothies. 2. Pomegranate juice. The beverage on this nerve-boosting voyage is the luxurious pomegranate juice. Its ruby red seeds hold an intoxicating blend of sweet and tart flavors, as well as an incredible wealth of nutrients that can contribute to the prevention and repair of nerve damage. The wonder of pomegranate juice lies in its high content of potent antioxidants, including punicalagins and punicalic acid, which are remarkably effective at safeguarding our cells from damaging free radicals. This oxidative stress can lead to nerve damage, and pomegranate juice helps bolster your body's defenses against it. But the pomegranate power doesn't end there. Preliminary research suggests that the juice also helps promote the regeneration of neurons in the brain and improves memory and learning. This implies a potential neuroprotective effect, making pomegranate juice a promising ally for our nervous system. Apart from its impact on nerve health, pomegranate juice has a range of other health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory effects, its ability to help lower blood pressure, and even its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Furthermore, it's a great source of vitamin C, bolstering your immune system and aiding in collagen production. Regarding intake, a general guideline could be 1 glass, around 8 ounces, of pomegranate juice a day. However, as pomegranate juice can be quite high in natural sugars, it's wise to consume it in moderation. Let's not forget the creative ways you can integrate pomegranate juice into your diet. The rich, sweet, tart flavor can make a great base for a salad dressing when mixed with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a touch of honey. If you fancy a cool, refreshing treat, try freezing pomegranate juice into ice cubes or popsicles. For a morning energy kick, mix pomegranate juice with your favorite smoothie blend, or add a splash to your sparkling water for a light and refreshing drink. In conclusion, the humble pomegranate offers a veritable treasure chest of potential benefits for your nerves. Its vibrant juice is not only a sensory delight, but also a source of powerful antioxidants and nutrients that can support the health of your nervous system. So drink to your health and relish in the robust, exotic flavor that pomegranate juice has to offer. Remember, every sip brings you a step closer to stronger nerve health. 3. Turmeric latte. Next up on our healing drink journey, we invite you to embrace the golden goodness of turmeric latte, also popularly known as golden milk. This warm and inviting concoction is as beneficial as it is flavorful, with roots and artistic tradition that span thousands of years. The superstar ingredient in this drink is, of course, turmeric. This golden spice is power-packed with curcumin, a bioactive compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But how does it work its magic on your nerves? Research has shown that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has neuroprotective effects. It's been found to enhance nerve growth, decrease oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation in nerve cells, making it a powerful ally in nerve health. In simple terms, that golden turmeric latte is a golden opportunity for your nerves to recover and thrive. In addition to its nerve-boosting potential, turmeric has a treasure trove of other health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help combat a host of health issues linked to inflammation, such as heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's, and various degenerative conditions. Meanwhile, its antioxidant effects help protect your body from free radicals, enhancing your body's own antioxidant enzymes. The recommended intake of turmeric isn't set in stone, as it depends on the individual, but a general guideline is around 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder per day, which can be easily met with a cup of turmeric latte. Ready to weave this golden thread into your daily dietary tapestry? Let's look at how to make your turmeric latte more intriguing. While the traditional recipe calls for warm milk, any type you prefer, turmeric, a touch of black pepper, which aids in curcumin absorption, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, feel free to add your personal touch. Spices like cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom can add a delightful flavor twist. But don't let your creativity stop at beverages. Turmeric's earthy, slightly peppery flavor can bring an unexpected depth to a smoothie. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your soup can enhance its color and nutritional profile. You could even incorporate turmeric into a homemade salad dressing for a healthful twist. So it's time to let turmeric work its golden magic on your nerve health. With its deep roots in traditional medicine and a taste that warms the soul, your journey to nerve repair could be as simple as a comforting cup of turmeric latte. 4. The unexpected hero, lemon ginger tea. As our journey through nerve-nourishing beverages nears its end, we arrive at a timeless classic, lemon ginger tea. This vibrant infusion of tangy lemon and spicy ginger creates a flavor profile that is not only invigorating to the palate, but also surprisingly potent for nerve health. Forget the typical neuroprotective angle. Let's imagine a scenario. You're feeling overwhelmed, your mind racing with anxieties. You're on the verge of burnout, your nerves feeling frayed like an old rope. Enter the unlikely hero, lemon ginger tea. Ginger, with its fiery kick, isn't just about flavor. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, you see, can wreak havoc on the delicate balance of the nervous system. By calming this internal storm, ginger helps to quiet the noise in your mind, allowing your nerves to relax and recover. Lemon, the bright and cheerful citrus fruit, adds its own unique magic. Rich in vitamin C, it acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage nerve cells. Think of it as a shield, protecting your nervous system from the constant barrage of stress and environmental toxins. But lemon ginger tea isn't just about combating stress. It's about creating a moment of mindful pause in your hectic day. The act of preparing the tea, the gentle simmering of the ginger, the fragrant squeeze of the lemon, is a form of self-care. It's a reminder to slow down, to breathe, to prioritize your well-being. The warmth of the tea itself is comforting, soothing the tension that may be building up in your body. It's a gentle reminder that even in the midst of chaos, there is always a moment for peace, for rejuvenation. 5. Green tea. Green tea, a cherished drink savored across continents and cultures for centuries, green tea is, as you're about to discover, an incredible ally in protecting and repairing our nerves. Green tea, a staple in Eastern cultures for thousands of years, has often been lauded as a super drink. Why? It's chock full of antioxidants, compounds that help protect ourselves from damage. But the power of green tea doesn't stop there. One of the star components of green tea is an antioxidant called epigallocatechin 3-gallate, or EGCG for short. Studies have found that EGCG promotes nerve cell growth and can even accelerate recovery after nerve injury. Simply put, every sip of green tea may help your body do a better job at naturally repairing your nerves. Moreover, green tea is rich in amino acids, particularly one called L-theanine, which is known to cross the blood-brain barrier and positively influence brain function. Research has shown that L-theanine can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports nerve health, encourages the growth of new neurons, and strengthens existing ones. Now, let's not forget to mention that green tea is a phenomenal beverage for general health. It's linked to improved brain function, fat loss, and a lowered risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. With green tea, it's not just about nurturing your nerves, it's a holistic approach to better health. When it comes to incorporating green tea into your daily routine, there are a few points to consider. The optimum quantity is typically 2 to 3 cups a day, which should provide you with a beneficial amount of EGCG and L-theanine. But let's add a dash of creativity to how you enjoy your green tea. Of course, there's the classic hot brew, a soothing drink to start your day or enjoy in a quiet moment. But why not try iced green tea for a refreshing summer pick-me-up? You could even get a bit adventurous and mix up a green tea smoothie, blending brewed tea with fruits like bananas or berries, a dash of honey, and a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Or have you ever thought about using it in your meals? Try using green tea as a base for a savory broth in your next soup or stew. You could even grind the leaves into a powder to add a healthy boost to your baking. Green tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a versatile, powerful protector of your nerves, a key player in your overall health, and an adaptable ingredient in your culinary adventures. So go ahead, steep that tea and savor the nourishment it brings. 6. Blueberry smoothie, a nerve-nourishing delight. Our journey of nerve health elixirs now leads us to the captivating realm of the blueberry smoothie. Dressed in the royal hue of blue, this smoothie is a cocktail of deliciousness and health, especially when it comes to shielding and rejuvenating our nerves. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their distinctive color. These antioxidants can combat oxidative stress, a leading contributor to nerve damage. They protect nerve cells from harmful free radicals, helping maintain the health of your nerves and even aiding in repair. Moreover, research has shown that blueberries can enhance neuronal signaling and facilitate neurogenesis, the growth and development of nervous tissue. These tiny berries are also high in vitamin C and K, fiber, and various other nutrients, all of which contribute to the overall health of your nervous system. Aside from their nerve health benefits, blueberries are known to promote heart health,